Nicaragua sits at the center of three different bodies of water. To the east, the Atlantic coast, housing Caribbean species like tarpon and red snapper. To the west, the Pacific Ocean, with larger saltwater species like mahi-mahi and dorade. And finally, Lake Nicaragua, a freshwater lake large enough to house 365 islands and provide sustenance in the form of lake fish like guapote and tilapia. Here at Casares Beach, a coast town along the Pacific Ocean 50 miles south of Managua, the fishermen are coming home for the day. It is 10 a.m. and the sun is high and bright in the sky. Most boats have been working since 4 a.m., throwing out net after net in the quiet, dark waters in hopes of catching fish as they feed. Nothing is mechanized here. Boats the size of large canoes venture out into open ocean with a small crew and limited supplies. There is one backup motor and a few sets of life jackets, but the risk in every excursion is apparent. The hard work doesn't end at shore either. Boats are manually rowed back to the docks with several wooden beams, outfitted with metal handles so the fishermen can take turns dragging one from back to front as the others wheel the boat forward. Clear skies or stormy weather, the fishermen make the voyage every day, determined to make their living from the water. Women from the village typically assume the role of brokers and sellers, setting up stands at the beach and nearby markets. Almost the entirety of each day's catch will have buyers accounted for in advance. If not, the auction cycle is swift. Especially for a fish like golden tuna, an eager crowd tends to be waiting ashore. It is rare for any of these name-brand species to have not already been claimed by commodity buyers exporting overseas. Across the country in Grenada, Nicaragua's cultural center, the fish market sees its regular customers for the day. Refrigeration is still scarce, making the balance of supply and demand particularly important. Fish are sold in all types of preparations, whole, filleted, butterflied, head and bones, so chefs and home cooks alike can utilize every piece, for a light ceviche perhaps, or a creamy rodon soup. The arduous journey from sea to table is understood here, driving a deep appreciation for the exhausting work of fishermen. We hope you enjoy our ode of thanks in the form of smoked naranja and sea bass ceviche, paired with a cocktail of grandma tea and chicha morada.